I've been looking for a reasonably priced acrylic varnish that I can use on my painted rocks that I hide outside. So the company was kind enough to send me this one. It is matte, but they also have it in gloss. This is 4.06 ounces, and it says keep it away from children, apply it lightly so there's no streaks. And I did not shake it, but I did roll it a little bit like this. If you shake it, it will get bubbles. So I just roll it a little bit, and make sure that whatever you're putting it on is completely dry. Brush on a thin, even coat, and it does not yellow. And it says to allow it to completely dry before adding more coats. So because I'm just doing two small things here, I am going to drop the varnish right on there. Whoops, I probably got a little bit much, but that's okay. And I have an older paintbrush. You don't want to use the paintbrushes that you use for acrylic or watercolor. You want to have a paintbrush that's just for varnish. And I'm covering my whole design the best I can. I got a little bit much, so let's share some with this rock. We'll cover this one up. And I just wanted something, this has UV protectant, so it will prevent fading, but I just wanted something to protect the rocks since they'll be outside, and so that they won't chip quite as quickly, and so that the paint doesn't rub off or peel off when it rains. So there we go. Let me see. Yeah, a little bit of that went a long way. You could, if you're doing something larger, you could put it in like a little cup or a jar lid or something small like that. There we go. So that's pretty good. And then as soon as I get done, I'm going to rinse this paintbrush out. Actually, I might do some more. I've got some more rocks that I've got painted that I want to hide, so I might just go ahead and cover those while I have everything out. But this goes on really evenly. It dries nicely. I like the consistency of it. So I would give this a 2 thumbs up, and if you want something that's reasonably priced, I think that this is a really good choice. You can also use this on wood. You could use it on glass or acrylic. It probably is not the best choice for those though. But it works really good for regular craft projects, ceramics, you know, like the little figures that you get in kits for kids. You know, if you wanted to put some acrylic varnish to give it a nice finish and also protect it, this would be perfect for that.